download key equals this. So that's the whole URL. So grab that. And copy. Okay, now we need to go over here, and then we're going to put in a link. So if you go up here where it says link, all you're going to do is copy or paste that in there. And then the link text, download here. And that's it. Add link. Now make sure that you actually change the link so that it has the proper file name in it. You see here that I have deload.zip because I changed it behind the scenes there because I forgot to do that. But this is what you need to change here is the name of the file that they're downloading. Okay, so, and then the next thing you want to do is in here put a URL to our sales page. So let's go to pages, all pages, and open link in a new window. And then the best widget ever. So we'll copy this link. Close this. And then we want to put a link in here. So link, paste. With this one, you want to open in a new window, and then we can say, check it out here. And add a link. Okay, so what's happening here is when they log in, if they haven't purchased anything yet, the first time they log in, what they're going to see is this message up here, hi, and their name, all of your products and downloads. So they'll see our message there, and then they're going to see this product 1, best widget ever, and then they're going to see check it out here if they haven't bought it. If they did buy it, they're going to see all of this, and then they're going to say download here. So it's as simple as that. What you're going to do is for each product, you're just going to repeat this process. And you could actually just copy this whole thing to the next, just do a copy and make a new block and copy it down here. And all you got to do is change the name of this link and the URL to the sales page here, and of course the description. So it's easy to get this thing populated. Okay, so we can update this now. And this is ready to go. So we have our sales page and we have our back end all done. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is go to the sales page and make a change there. So let's go to all pages and then the sales page. Now we can't let anybody buy this unless they actually are signed up to our site. Otherwise, it won't register them as having bought it, and they won't be able to get in to actually download it. So what we need to do is tell them, using the same type of codes that we just had there, that they need to log in or register if they're not, or if they are, this button's going to show up. Okay, so that's easy to do. Remember we had this here, if current user is level 0 or can access level 0. And actually, if you're the admin, you might want to use the can access one, or you're not going to be able to see it because you're not level 0. But that's okay. Let's put this in. So this is going to show the button if they are level 0. And we need to move this S2 if underneath this whole thing here. Okay. So this will now show them the button if they're level 0, which is means that they've signed in. Now, if current user is not level 0, then we need to give them the link to go and sign in or register. Okay, actually I'm going to change this to can access level 0 instead. And then you'll be able to see it as an admin since you can access level 0. It's just a better one to use. And I've updated what you're going to get so that it is using this code rather than the old one. So you can ignore what I said about is equal 0, and we're going to use can access. And then we're just going to take this same thing here and we're going to bring it down here, and we're going to say cannot. And then we're going to put a note in here to, I need to put this S2 if down below this one. So these are called conditionals. If they meet the condition, then they do what it says in between there. Okay, and then we want to say login or register. And then we want to give them the link to the login or register page. And then we hit the link here. And then we put in the link to the registration. And you can get that in the open registration place where we set open registration. I've also given you the link to this in here. So this is where it's going to say register. Okay, and we add link. Okay, so what we've done here, we have our sales page, and then we have our payment button, which will show to anybody that can access level 0. And if they can access level 0, then they're going to get a login or register link here. So let's update. Now let's view the page for ourselves, and we should be able to see the link. And there it is. Now let's log out. Okay, so let's bring this page up. And you'll see now that it's brought me the login or register page instead of the payment button. So normally you'll have a big sales letter here, and at the bottom, if they haven't logged in yet, they're going to have to click here. And it takes them to the register page. And you'll see that down at the bottom there's log in, so they can click here and they can just log in if they already have a membership. Now if you decide you'd rather just go to the login page, you can do that instead. And let's just go back into this link here. And all I'm going to do is take action equals register off the end and the question mark there, like that. And then it'll just go to the login page. So let's update that. And then we'll log out and go to this page. Okay, so let's click on this now. And now it goes to the login page, and then they can click register. They want to register. So either way you want to do it is fine. In the next video, we're going to do a run through.